What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you my fidget box. I've got cold. So, first on the top, we have my dimple. Then, here's the organised box. In here are all my squishies, so let's take them out. Let's just put the box over here. Okay, so all of these are basically homemade other than one. So here's my slime ball. This is a jumbo gold one. Here's my mini baby slime ball. This is why this one's a jumbo one. Here's my sand ball. Sorry if it's a bit loud. Here is one of my Orbeez stress balls. Here's my other one, which is blue. These two are jumbos, by the way. And then here are my baby ones. Here's my baby Orbeez stress balls. Here's my pasta ball. Here's my cotton wool ball. Here's my water ball. I love this one. And here's my air ball. Okay, and then also in here I have some extra balloons just in case I want to do any more. And here's my non-homemade squishy, which just divides the balloons from the actual things. So let's put it all back. Okay, next is my slime. So this is really, really good. I love it so much. Hello, my name is Susie. And then here's my squishy. It's not really a squishy, but I like to play with it. And it goes down the side. Here's my snake, which also goes down the other side. You have to get it in the right shape though, so it's annoying. It's really annoying. Okay, there you go. Right, here are my monkey noodles. I have this one, which is quite short. I have this one, and I have this one. I'm sorry if I'm singing, guys. It's really annoying. Okay, and here is random things. I've got a broken marble mesh in here because it has a hole in it. I have some magnetic rings. Oh no. And I have a mochi. And in here I have my puppet stuff. There's my, so I have this baby puppet, which is really good. I have this little line of puppet, whatever it is. Then I have my circle puppet, and I have my baby Yoda puppet. So, yep. And I struggled to fit all this in the pot. And that is my fidget box. Thank you guys for watching, bye.